here to tell you that I'm giving you 1 week. 1 week for you and your family members to pack out of this house.
Papa, you're the first son and you are allowing your younger brother to overshadow you.
I don't want to ever see you close to my brother's children again.
Daddy, if you like, threaten me from now till tomorrow. It will not stop anything.
This man is pushing me on. I can't be a son-in-law to that man.
I built that house with my hard-earned money from my mother.
You mean my father came to the village this morning?
He will not do anything. We are behind you.
But we shall see how it ends.
You cannot be loving me and ordinary 3,000 naira you cannot give to me. Every time I love you, I love you, I love you. Is it love are we? Your father fainted because of food. Yes! Give your father food!
The brother does not see his brother as a brother.
How dare you bring the daughter of a very wicked man into my house?
A sister that came to her own sister's house and Dad embarrassed her like that.
I'll do everything possible to make your sister see again.
To err is human, but forgiveness is divine.
Your father's bitterness over his brother did not affect us.
Are you going with me or you want to join public transport?
Bring out the car now.
Be fast!
Hey!
How dare you?
Let's pass, be pass.
Look at our own uncle threatening to send his own brother out of our own house, out of this house.
Forget the past. Let's bygone, be bygone.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.